The Nike Air Foamposite 1 Cough Drop 2025 is a highly anticipated retro release that revisits one of the most iconic and visually striking colorways in Nike basketball history. Officially dropping on August 15, 2025, this sneaker stays true to its roots with classic yet bold design elements and modern performance features. The upper of the shoe is crafted from Nike's signature Foamposite material in a sleek, jet black color that offers durability and a futuristic look. Complementing the black shell are black suede eyelets and a breathable mesh tongue, which add texture and enhance comfort. The Cough Drop nickname arises from the standout translucent red outsole, reminiscent of a cherry cough drop candy. Penny Hardaway's signature 1 cent logo appears subtly on the tongue and heel, underscoring the shoe's storied legacy. Priced at $240, the 2025 Cough Drop edition blends nostalgic styling with durable materials and performance tech, making it a must-have for collectors and sneaker enthusiasts alike.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the notification bell to join the Daily Dunk and Drip community and get updated with the latest videos. Thank you.